We got the body all masked up. So this paint part of this. Got some Hobby Lobby scores this morning. I used labels that I had for sticker making for our farm market kind of deal. So I had some leftovers, and they do a good job. I don't know if you can see it in there, but they do just as good a job as the windows in terms of if you look at what's adhered to the plastic. So I'm hoping they do all right. I'm going to spray really light. I'm going to try and do a good job on it. That one was the first body I ever painted. I had no idea what I was using. Using marker paints, just screwing around. Half the paint came off because it's not good. I don't know, whatever. So this one I'm going to try and take a little more time. I did cheap out. They had a nice color I would liked that was like this iridescence. Hard to see in this on the camera, but I went with the cheaper version because I think it'd be good enough. We're going to two-tone it with a stripe, I think. But it fits on there nice. Looks pretty good. That Ronaldo wing looks good on there. Got some brush paints to maybe do the pinstriping first. I don't know what I'm doing, so this is going to take a little longer than expected, so it'll be a couple days before we get it. Get her out and running, especially with the rain. You notice that's my EAT. Uses LC, so I just threw that in there just to make it look better. My electronics still aren't here. I'm not running that motor. I'm waiting for the one that I got for this, so I'm not going to burn or speed it up. And there's my LC or my custom 12. Don't look much different, you know. The concept is there. I don't know about them metal arms though. I might go back. We'll see. Especially after I drive this, I might just change my mind altogether and put all WL shocks on there because these are like half and half C's. It's kind of a weird combo, but they're not bad. Anyways, yeah, I'll be back with the next step, or it painted, or electronics. All depends on what comes first. All right, see you soon. Ready for the first coat. I did some pinstriping. I don't know how good or bad it'll turn out. Don't really care. It's hopefully it blends. I'll clean up what I have to. Masked it off as best I can. For what I know, I'm gonna do super light sprays and then heat dry and super light. So I'm trying to get it nice. So first we're gonna start with flat red, which won't look flat obviously, and then after we'll do this nice cool pearlized blue. It's pretty neat. This is just some cheapy enamel, you know. It's actually Rust-Oleum. It's kind of funny. I wonder if Tabby is Rust-Oleum too. Anyways, and then this fancy sparkly stuff. I think it's gonna look good. All right, I'll be back after I get some coats on. First coat, really light, little heat dry. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit longer, and then I'm gonna do second. So far, so good. Looks like something. All right, red's all done. I'm gonna undo some mask stuff. So I just use stickers with some edging tape on there, and it seems to work good. There's a little spray, but it might be on the top. I'm actually not too worried about it. Like I said, this is only my second. So even if it's halfway decent, that's better than the first, which is that piece of junk over there, my clown car. Yeah. Dig it. That's white. That's white. Sure there's a better way to do this. Toothpick maybe? I don't know. Should have watched closer when you guys were showing me. these stickers come off all right. These are merch stickers, you know, for on-demand printing, for like honey labels and crap like that. It's not bad. So my idea is I'm going to do this blue down below, and then the window scheme, and then this part is going to be, you know, white. So I got my red, white, and blue theme still going. And I got a surprise. These stickers inspired me. Well, I'm not sure you want to watch all this. Again, maybe you do. You never know. It's hard to predict that. These stickers work good for the lines. Way better than the tape I had on the last build, or last paint, my clown car. I think I want to use these more often. Look how clean that is. It's not bad. The guy don't know what he's doing. It looks pretty good. But again, I don't know what I'm doing, so I don't know what pretty good is. I'll let that dry a little more. You get the idea. So I'm going to go light on the top, so you can kind of see, so it's almost translucent, and then heavy on the sides, you know, and then yeah, and that heavy should kind of blend that black in, so I don't care if there's imperfections. I'm hoping you don't see it, as long as this line's pretty crisp, which it looks pretty crisp. It looks like my tape took off some paint. It's all right. Again, I'm not looking for perfect. Not bad. Step one. I'll be back when we're next step. So we got that blue working. Pretty good. It's not gonna look much different, but when I come back, it'll be done, and we'll be pulling that skin off that. I won't, you know, no sense in showing you in between of the white and that. So yeah, so far so good. Kind of dig it. All right. I think it's dried enough now where we can see what it looks like. Hopefully it came out pretty decent. So, well, let's start with this. Hopefully I don't scratch the paint off. Still a little tacky, it might wait. Well, I'm not stopping, right? So you can see how I did that. I just lined the edges. I got this this mask tape from Hobby Lobby in the model section. It works really good. It works a lot better than the painter's tape I had tried before. Just your regular blue mask. It doesn't leave as clean an edge. used stickers for the fill, but I didn't push them hard. Kind of set the sticker on the mask. Again, I don't know what I'm doing, so. I think I'm going to wait. Most of this is coming off, but every time I say I'm going to wait, I keep going. But I don't know if you can see that. But you can see through it, kind of. That's my intention anyways. Oh, no reason to wait now. Okay. Nothing like build a little suspense, right? Oh boy. Looks pretty good. Yep. I dig it. I dig it. Still a little tacky, so I'm not going to go nutty. But these windows are going to be clear, and my intention is to take one of my G.I. Joes, drill a hole through his head, and have him in there too. That's going to be the next part once this dries. But so far, I think she looks good. That looks pretty good. So when I come back, I'll have stickers on her and windows taken out and holes put in, and not bad. You can see my mistakes there, but you know what? I don't mind. I don't know if you can see that iridescence, but that's cool. That, and you can see where the paint in here, but that's okay. I'm not expecting to be perfect. Yeah. Maybe I can give it another shot of blue or a clear or something to keep it from scratching. I don't know, whatever. It's good enough. I dig it. I dig it. All right, guys, you ready? I think it turned out pretty good, actually. So there it is. There it is. So kept it simple. Just kept the LC stuff. You see in there, I sacrificed one of my childhood minions, one of the G.I. Joes. So, but I think it turned out all right. It's got to have a driver, right? See how well that works. I dig it. Still got to make the holes for the body placement, but I wanted to wait to see, make sure that worked right. But his head's clear and he's perfect. Could always tap the top, but I'd rather not. I'm not sure you can see. You can see through that kind of. I might cut a hole there. One, to let some air in there, so, and two, so you can see the driver. I think it's going to look cool once you got some electronics in there and that center lights up. So, yeah, so you can see through that. It's pretty cool. He's chilling. Yeah, I dig it. Hope you guys did too. So that'll be the end of this video. I'm gonna keep that wing on there. The next one will be the run-in video and electric, so it'll be a quick fix and a runner. So this one's plenty long enough, plus it's pretty cool. Hope you guys dig it.